When life happens, you are prepared. It is a workbook set, and this is how you have all your important personal, financial, medical, life insurance, and burial information in one place. What this is peace of mind for you to have all of that important information in one place, and ease for your family in a time of duress, sadness. When someone passes, the last thing that you want to have to do is run around looking for all of this information in drawers, in safes, in places that you may not even know where to find it. This even has your social media passwords in it too. Like, where would you even find that? I'm starting to get a little emotional. I'm sorry, we lost my dad in October, and though he was very organized, my mom was very organized, there were still things that they hadn't been able to discuss ahead of time. He had dementia, and so it progressed very quickly, and we didn't even know things like how he wanted to be buried and where, and so it was a very difficult time for us. This is such an easy thing to do, and it's not just for people who are, you know, closer to that part of life. I think every single one of us needs to have this information for all of our family members, just to make it easier for them. It's incredibly easy to go through. It guides you right through it. There's no passwords, there's no getting on a computer, there's no Wi-Fi necessary. It is good old-fashioned writing everything down that you need. Your item number is H486770. Priscilla Johnson is joining us. She created this. She's a financial advisor for the past 16 years. It is so lovely to have you on the show.
Thank you.
I thank you so much for putting something together like this. It's something that you wanted to do for your clients, but also for your family members.
Right, and so what I did was I was on a search to just try to buy one for our clients. And just because being in the industry that we've been in, I thought, you know, the workbooks that I came across, I was like, I am not gonna fill this workbook out. Like, it doesn't have all the information. So then I went on a venture and I created a workbook, and it was really interesting because not only did I really feel that my clients needed this, but it was also, I needed this for our household. I thought, you know, you never really think about things until you're really faced with them.
And that's the hardest time to have to think about.
Right, and let's be proactive instead of reactive, right? So I thought, let's create a workbook, let me fill it out, let me test it. And it was so interesting. Like, I really felt empowered because I had all our information in just one booklet.
Yes, one booklet.
And it's just kind of like, you know, when you go to the restaurants and you have all this options.
Yes.
And
too many choices boggle the mind.
Right, and you're like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so confused now. Well, I wanted to create a workbook with simplicity.
Yeah.
And that's what this workbook is. It just creates that simplicity and also gives you an opportunity to organize your information with the tools that I've given you guys as well.
It's less than $10 on a credit card. We have it on sale today. It's brand new today. You're the first to see it. I am already thinking about getting one for me and one for my husband. Thinking about sending this to my friends. It's something that every single person should have. It's even nice to just have for you, while you're still here, to have all of that personal information in one place. Walk us through everything that it comes with and what we will do as soon as we get it home.
Right, so in the beginning of the workbook, the first page, you're gonna have basically, a guide, a step on what to do, on how to organize your information. So again, what I wanted to do is I wanted to provide you guys a checklist. Each section has a checklist, and with that checklist, it kind of guides you and allows you and tells you what papers go in what folder. So again, Terry, I wanted to keep it simple. So with the simplicity of everything, with the checklist, you've got file stickers that kind of just create that simplicity of, like, not only do you have a checklist, but create that, as you're going through the workbook, grab the papers that it's telling you to and put them in the folders. I think oftentimes we make it so complicated.
Right.
And it's just that easy.
Right, there's no finding a file in a computer. There's no even going on a computer. It is real, it's a workbook. You sit down, you have a cup of coffee in the morning, and just give yourself that 300 orders placed, by the way. This is brand new today. I really, truly believe this is something that every single one of us needs. You go through and just tell yourself, give yourself a goal. Every day, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna write for 15 minutes. And I'm gonna make a list of the things that I need to find out. I don't even know what the password is to my social media. I need to find that out because that's something that you have to go in and be able to write down for people so that they have when you're gone. Medical and life insurance information. We just had to switch medical plans this year. So that's outdated for me as of a month and a half ago. Life insurance, all of that information, and it's very simple. So let me show you what the different sections are. The first section is just that personal and financial information. And your children, your siblings, transportation. Then we have medical and life insurance. That's just a quick section. It has all of your doctors, medical providers, life insurance, pet care. And if you have pet insurance, burial and miscellaneous information, that's very important to know, to have that conversation ahead of time so that it's not difficult for the people that are left behind. And then you have these 3 envelopes and then just little stickers, that's it. And that's where you put copies of the things that you need, copies of your social security card, copies of bank statements,
Right.
or you know, any type of military. My dad was in the military, and so there were benefits that we had to go through and find out and figure out. There's just so much. It's such peace of mind to have it in one specific place. And you are a financial planner, so you know all of the information that you need.
Right, and it's so interesting because I want to just share this story. We had to get our passports renewed just here recently, and you know, just look at that daunting task of having to get all your information just all together, right? Going through this file, going through that file. And I was so proud of myself because I had everything in this
one envelope.
Right, so I went to the post office and I really felt like I was doing something because normally I would either have to ask my husband for some information or I would have to dig somewhere. And so because I had all the information, I utilized my checklist and I was able to go to the post office and get our passports renewed with just because I had all the information.
I love it.
So,
it's peace of mind for you. It is ease for your loved ones. 600 orders have now been placed. You're the first to see it. It's brand new today. You have 30 days to return it. But I highly, highly, highly recommend. I will be ordering at least two of these today. It's less than $10 as a charge on a credit card, and you're really doing a service to your family. Thank you so much, Priscilla, so much for bringing this to us. I really love it. All right, here's the information for my top. It's coming up brand new in my next